Hi guys, welcome to my kitchen. Today I'm making fettuccine carbonara. Alright, I'm starting out here in my multi-pot. I have a pound of bacon I cut into strips and I have it about halfway brown and I drained off the excess grease. I'm going to add in 3 shallots that I diced up. And I'm also going to add in a heaping teaspoon of chopped garlic. If you use fresh garlic, use about a clove or so. And I'm going to allow this to fry over medium heat to medium low heat so that bacon's done frying and our shallots are nice and tender and translucent. Alright, now that my bacon and shallots are done cooking, I have them set aside. In a bowl here I have 3 egg yolks. I'm just going to mix them up quick. And to that I'm going to add in roughly about a half a cup of heavy cream. And if I go over a little bit, that's alright. Let's give that a stir. Mix everything together. And I have the fettuccine over here boiling. Now to that I'm going to add 3/4 of a cup of shredded Parmesan cheese. And the cheese is the same deal as the heavy cream. If you go over a little bit, guys, that'll be just fine. I'm going to stir that in there. And I think I'm going to add just a little more cheese in there so we get this nice and cheesy. Just a little bit more. Because I think that's closer to a cup of heavy cream. Just using up the container I had. Now I'm just going to let this set aside and let the bacon and shallots set aside till my fettuccine is done boiling. Alright guys, I returned my bacon and my shallots back on heat on low just to warm it up. Now I'm going to go ahead and take that fettuccine that I boiled up and we're going to get that in with the bacon. You guys, you hear Dexter's talking today. And I'm just going to go ahead and stir this all together real quick to get the bacon mixed through. You like Italian food, Dexter? Huh? And you just want to mix the bacon through. Okay, now I'm going to take the cheese and cream mixture and I'm going to add that in over top of the pasta and the bacon. What, Dexter? And I'm just going to go ahead and stir that in. I'm going to allow this to continue cooking over that medium heat, or over that low heat, just for a minute to help cook those eggs through. You really don't have to, but I just want to do it to be safe. Alright, now that I allowed this to heat through for a minute, I'm going to add in a little bit of salt and pepper. Not a whole lot of salt, guys, because the cheese, the bacon, and the water the pasta cooked then has salt. So you don't want it over salty, and I'm going to add in pepper. And it's to taste. I'm going to go probably for about half a teaspoon of each. Give that a stir, mix it in, and this is ready to go. Let's go ahead and fix up a plate and see what we got. Alright, guys, I went ahead and garnished this with a little bit of parsley for some color. Let me get in here and give this a try. If it tastes as good as it looks, guys. It's really good. You get the creamy Alfredo, the creamy Parmesan cheese in there, the cream. You get that taste of the bacon there. That bacon grease went through there. That's really good. And as you see, it wasn't hard at all. Alright, there you have it, Alfredo Carbonara. Give it a try. Thanks for watching, and until next time, I'll see ya.